Rationalise the denominators. We looked at this one in the intro, 1 over root 3. We want to multiply it by 1, but we tailor our 1 to the question we have. And root 3 over root 3 would be a good way to express 1 here. Then if we look at the denominator, we have root 3 times root 3, which we know is 3. And on the top, I've got 1 times root 3, which is root 3. And now my denominator is a rational number. When we have 5 over 2 root 7, you don't need to worry about the 2 bit. You just need to worry about the root 7. So we could do this with a root 7 over root 7. Then the top is 5 root 7. And the bottom is going to be 2 times 7, because remember root 7 times root 7 is 7. We still have the 2 there. So that would be 5 root 7 over 14. Now for this one, I'd make use of dots. So if I've got 3 take away root 2 in the denominator, I'm going to do 3 plus root 2 over 3 plus root 2. So on the top, that gives me 2 into 3 plus root 2. On the bottom, I've got 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2. Now we looked at expanding that in full in the intro, but I'm just going to make use of dots here. So what I'm going to do is expand out the top, and that's just going to give me 6 plus 2 root 2. On the bottom, I know it's just going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. Take away root 2 times root 2, which is, of course, 2. And so I get 6 plus 2 root 2 over 7. And once again, we have a rational denominator. So for this one, it should be fairly clear. If this is root 5 minus root 2, then I need to multiply by root 5 plus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. Note again that this is just 1. So I'm going to have 3 root 5 plus root 2, and on the bottom I've got root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. The top is just 3 root 5 plus 3 root 2. And the bottom, using our dots pattern, is going to be 5 take away 2. And so that is, look what's going to happen. Maybe I shouldn't have expanded the top out. Let's put it back to this, because the bottom is going to become 3. And we just end up with root 5 plus root 2.